Welcome to Compassion and Loving Kindness Meditation. This meditation will help you cultivate more compassion and kindness for yourself, but also for the people you encounter in your own life. You can do this meditation seated, or if you prefer to be lying down, that's okay too. Just make sure you get nice and comfortable. Gently close the eyes. Place both palms over your heart. Notice your heart beating under your hands. And begin to feel the warmth from your palms penetrating your chest. Inhaling deeply, feel the ribs expand. Exhaling completely, feel the ribs contract. Continue to breathe deeply for the rest of this meditation. Keeping the eyes closed, picture someone in your life that you're very close to. Someone who loves you very much. It could be a parent or a grandparent. Maybe it's a partner or even a teacher. Picture this person standing in front of you. See them smiling with their eyes as they send you love and kindness. Just like you, this person wants to be happy. Offer them these words of love and kindness, repeating silently in your own mind after me. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be free from pain. May you live your life with ease. Notice any reaction in your body as these words wash over you. Next, call to mind somebody in your life who is an acquaintance, someone who you have no particular deep relationship with. It could be a colleague or a neighbor, or someone you only see occasionally. Picture this person's face. See them clearly. Just like you, this person wants to be happy. We offer them these words of love and kindness, repeating in your own mind after me. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be free from pain. May you live your life with ease. Next, visualize the planet Earth floating in front of you, the size of a basketball. Picture it clearly. Just like you, all 7 billion people on this planet want to be happy. So we offer them these words of love and kindness, repeating silently after me. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be free from pain. May you live your life with ease. Inhaling deeply. Exhaling completely. Allow your palms to move down to your thighs. And keeping the eyes closed, relax your focus and allow the breathing to return to normal. Allow any sensations in the body to settle down. And in your own time, whenever you are ready, gently opening the eyes. This is how we practice compassion and loving kindness meditation. Don't worry if your mind wandered, if you had difficulty visualizing. This is okay. This is normal. Whenever you notice your mind wandering, simply let it go. Return to the meditation. Every time we practice, we strengthen our capacity to visualize more consistently and to stay present with the meditation. Thank you. And if you happen to like this meditation, please hit like, maybe subscribe, and I'll see you next time.